Welcome to the brand new Shearer Supply website. To start off, if you don't already have an account, please visit the Register button here on the top right of the main page. From here you'll enter your account number, email address, first name, last name, company name, phone number, and your own password of your choice. If you already have a login, you can click the login button in the top right here and enter your email address and password you provided during the registration process. Now that you're logged into your account, let's start on the top left under Your Shopping. This will be your home branch location and where all your orders will directly go to once they're placed online. If you need to change that location, click the drop down arrow here and find the branch you're looking for. You will see that updated once you click. Next will be the shopping bar here at the top. There are two different types of functionality here. Search by keyword, such as thermostat, which you will see suggested products at the top and related categories at the bottom. You will also see our most common items sold within those categories as a preview here on the screen. The second option is search by model number. As you type your model number, you will start to see suggested product recommendations. Once you see the product you're looking for, you can click directly on the product. It will take you to the product detail page. Below the search bar will be our shop by categories. These can give you direct access to our main categories that we sell throughout the company. Next will be our shop by brands. You can view all brands by clicking the blue button on the bottom corner, and you can click into any brand and you will see all products offered within that brand. Next we have the residential, commercial, and supplies quick links, which is the same as going through your products and selecting residential, commercial, or installation and maintenance supplies, but since these are our three main moving categories, we wanted you to have easy access. Next will be our resources tab. This is where a lot of our general company information, as well as our calendar of events, and our Shearer University training website links are. Coming to your top right, you have your My Account. This will be a list of your main account settings and also access to a great tool, Dealer Central. Below, you will have your main company banners. These will be updated throughout the year with any upcoming promotions or events. Let's go ahead and visit Dealer Central. We can access Dealer Central by clicking the View Dashboard button over here on the left side, or by coming to My Account and selecting Dealer Central. Within Dealer Central, you will see open orders, order history, favorites, and saved carts. If you have any open quotes that have been requested to the branch, you can see their status and even accept the quote and send back to the branch for processing, all from Dealer Central. Here on the left side under Buying Tools, you'll have your price books, favorites, commercial quoting center, and parts finder. The commercial quoting center is a 5-step walkthrough form that's been built by our commercial team to be as easy as possible to submit and receive a commercial quote. Our parts finder. We typically do recommend searching by serial number, but for this example, I'm going to use the model number. When you use a model number, you're going to see a long list of suggested model numbers. The bottom two will be the current supersedings. You will see within the parts finder a breakdown of the different subcategories within that specific unit. You will see two different things here, add to cart and add to quote. Add to cart means it's a product we typically stock and we have an active price and you can check out today. Add to quote means it may be a special order item and there may possibly be a lead time. When you add to quote, you will see your quote cart here in the top right with a 3 marked next to it, updated. These quotes can be submitted to the branch, and upon review, they will come back with a price, lead time, and availability. We do recommend in the notes section here to add a model number or serial number of what you entered for your quote. This will help the branch do an extra round of due diligence to make sure this is the exact part you're looking for. Back in Dealer Central, under My Account, you have your account info, your address book, and a link to pay account through BillTrust. Here at the bottom you have your Resources tab, which includes some important links to the AS DealerNet Warranty Center and an info page about how the FSR technical support line works. Now let's get into the product categories. For example, we're going to click the quick link to residential HVAC equipment here in the bottom left. Here on the product category page, you will see the breakdown of the different product categories and their subcategories below as you hover over the different category. For example, we're going to go into residential condensers. Here on this page, you're going to see a few different things. You will see an items per page, a sort by, a compare selected, grid view, and your page count. Grid view can be changed from list view to grid view and is more of just a visual preference. One big thing we changed this year is we've added inventory availability for all branches in one view. You can see on the product listing page under branches in my region, you can click now and see all the branches in your region and their current inventory levels. If, for example, you had a job near Waco and you wanted to pick up at the Waco branch, all you need to do is select Waco, Texas here, and now you'll see that your branch has been changed at the top, and now you are shopping from the Waco branch. Here on the left side, you also have your filters. These will help you filter down to the products you're looking for in a timely manner. Coming into the product detail, we can click into the short description and we'll be taken to the product page. The same functionality exists for the branches in the region, so you can check your inventory. We also have a full description, specifications, and documentation. Once you're ready to add to your cart, you can click the blue Add to Cart button, and you can also change your quantity here on the left side. When you add to cart, you will also see what other customers have purchased when they are purchasing this 2-ton 14 SEER air handler condenser. Within the checkout cart, there's a few things to notice. Your option for pickup and delivery is here in the top left side of your screen. If you miss this option, don't worry, the next part of checkout will have a secondary option to decide between pickup and delivery. Once you're ready, you can hit the checkout button here on the right side. And you'll enter the final checkout screen. As I said, you'll see a secondary option to change your pickup location, but please note if you change your location, the inventory availability may not be the same at the other branch, so please double check before submitting your order. Under pickup, you have a pickup date, pickup time, and a PO that are required. One big thing I want to point out under cart items here on the right side is the notes section. This notes section can be used to add any additional information you want to send to the branch, whether that's you couldn't find a matching system, you couldn't find a product, or you just had a general question on your order. This is passed directly to the branch staff member who's reviewing your order and will be considered before any processing happens. We also have a delivery option, which has two different options between that, which is milk run deliveries and hot shot deliveries. Milk runs are a $1,500 minimum and hot shots are a $500 minimum. If you're under that $500 minimum, both of these options will be grayed out, but don't worry, just submit the order to the branch and they will handle it from there. You also have an option for a one-time shipping address for a job site. When you enter this one-time shipping address, it will be associated with this one order only and it will not be saved to your account in the future. If you have a job site that you're going to be sending consistent orders to, please reach out to ecommerce@shearersupply.com and we can add an additional shipping address to your account. Our third option is shipping. Shipping will be for small items that you just need to send in UPS, FedEx, or any other mail service. On the delivery side, you have the same options and the same cart items nodes. Make sure to utilize this as it's the best way to communicate with the branch. A great tool I want to feature will be the Quick Order. You can find Quick Order by going to My Account and Quick Order here at the bottom. Quick Order has three options: speed entry, copy and paste, and file upload. The one I mainly want to feature right now is speed entry. If you click into the keyword, you will see these blue boxes populate, and you can click into the first cell and just treat this like an Excel spreadsheet. As you type your model number, you will see different suggested models populating here in the list. You can click into the model you're looking for, and then update the quantity on the right side. Once you're ready, you can hit Add to Cart at the bottom. You will see your pricing, and you will see your cart reflected. The next tool I want to focus on is Shearer Stock. That allows you to keep track of your own inventory and replenish based on your own set minimum and maximums. To get to Shearer Stock, select the My Account button here in the top right and select Shearer Stock. Shearer Stock allows you to create as many lists as you would like, all depending on how your business wants to use contractor managed inventory. For example, you could have your different trucks, different warehouse locations, or anything else that will help your business run more efficiently. For example, we're going to come into this example list that I've created, and you'll see different model numbers already listed. If you want to add to the list, you just select here under the part number and start typing your model number. Once you find the model number you're looking for, you can just select where it says the part number. Then you're going to add your min and max quantity. We do recommend having a min-max that is relatively close to each other to constantly keep your inventory at a full replenished. Once you're ready, you can click the Add Row button. You have the option to search for the name or the part number, and as you go through the process, all you're going to be doing is marking down your on-hand quantity. This quantity is not saved each time you enter, so only mark down the on-hand quantity of products that you are changing. For example, let's say I was taking 2 out of the inventory of our part number 406-7. After I took out 2, we had 3 remaining. As you can see, this product has been highlighted green, and our order quantity has been updated to 7. This will reach that maximum quantity that we've set and keeps your inventory back into a full stock. For example, let's say we take out only 1 SS2, and we counted 3. You will see that's not been highlighted and nothing's been added to your order quantity. Once you have gone through your list, you can hit Add Items to Cart, and you'll be able to check out and keep your inventory replenished, all using the brand new Shearer Stock.
To make using Shearer Stock even easier, we've added the ability to print labels and scan books. At the top of your Shearer Stock list, you will see a blue print button. Select here and you'll see 3 different options: Itemized List, Labels, and Scan Books. We'll start with labels. You can select item number or manufacturer number, and then you can select the items per page. You have the option between 20 per page with 1x4 inch labels, or 10 per page with 2x4 inch labels. Once you're ready, you can hit the blue Print Page button on the bottom right. As you can see, it will show you a short description, the barcode with your part number, and the associated image. These can be printed out on Avery label making paper and be used to organize and keep track of your inventory in your warehouse. Next are scan books. You have the option between 6 per page and 12 per page. Scan books are great if you don't want to use Shearer stock specifically, and you only want to use scan to order. Or you can even use this to search within your list on the mobile app using the scan functionality.
To use the scan to order, you're going to click the scan button on the bottom row. You're going to find your barcode, and you're going to line up the white box with your barcode. Once it's found the barcode, it will take you directly to the product listing, and you can add to cart and check availability.